Hi, this is John Kingston from JR Trading Zone. Glad to meet you all in this new video. Mostly when people start a YouTube channel regarding stock market, most of the channel, if you watch, they will be telling about the plus points, positives and green side of the market. Okay, but when I started my YouTube channel, I just wanted to convey what is price action trading and the patterns and everything occurring in the market. Okay, but you see, one question came, where should we start? How should we start? So I thought I should make more clarification from where we should start stock market, how should we learn stock market. So I started shifting my video to that area. Then when coming to the subject, mostly I made last video on how people are trapped in the stock market. If you didn't watch the video, please, I will be sharing it in the I button. Go and watch the video. This is the continuation of that video. Okay. When all the YouTubers are talking about the profits, revealing the profit screenshot, showing their P&L, okay, I am not doing in that manner. I am just starting in a different way. First, I want to preserve your capital. First, I want to save your capital. Those beginners who are entering with the stock market come with a minimum capital. To lose the entire capital, we are having lot of traps in the market. When I talk about stock market, definitely I remember a story of treasure hunt. If you may be aware of what is treasure hunt. In a Hollywood movie, which I watched before years, I remember the movie. There were two friends in the movie. One friend, when he went to take a bath in a pond, he got a piece of map. And he showed his friend. He was not able to understand anything from the map. He just showed his friend. The friend who had a little knowledge about it told, this is a map about the treasure, but it is only a half a piece. We should find the next piece. They started their journey to find the next piece of the map. After a long journey and effort, they got the next piece of the map and they were totally excited and they were ready for the treasure hunt. Okay, they took a horse and they started riding towards the place where the treasure was. But when they reached the place where the treasure was, there were hurdles to overcome or hurdles to go to reach the treasure point or to take the treasure. They have to cross some hurdles. They came to know in this particular place the treasure is there. They were very happy, excited, reached the point, no problem. Now they have to move into a cave and then into another part of the cave and then third section of the cave. Actually, the cave had three sections. They have to travel through each and every part to take the treasure. In the first part of the cave, there were poisonous snakes. Next part of the cave, there were two hungry lions. Then the last part, pool-like area, where crocodiles were there and it was full of water. Okay, they have to cross these three hurdles to take the treasure. Actually, I will compare this story with the stock market. Stock market is a place where most people are cheated because here many people are educated thieves. So people will be easily cheated. Normally, we will have an idea what is cheating, how is cheating going. We must have an experience how people cheat us. Okay, but these fellows who are in the stock market are well educated thieves. We should be aware of these educated thieves. Educated thieves is very dangerous because we don't know how they are cheating. They will be taking in a way this is the right part, this is the actual part, and they will be proving with many examples, many scientific studies, many equations, many profit screenshots. They will be revealing everything. It will feel as they are real. That is the danger here. First, those who enter to the stock market should be protected from these traps in the stock market. If you watch this video, or if you entertain this video, or if you think that there is some value in this video, you can watch. Or if most of the people, when we are talking about the negative side of the market, when we are talking about the trap of the market, most of the people will feel that this guy is a pessimist and he is always talking about the negatives of the market. But without knowing the negatives of the market, you can't make anything from the stock market. That is the reality. Okay, after losing your money, after losing your entire capital, most of the people won't return back to the stock market. They will leave, cursing the stock market and cursing those people who taught them, and they will leave out of the market. That's why I'm stressing we should know the hidden area where these traps are present. We should know where these traps are there, and we should not fall in the traps. Basically, I am a business person. After 2016, after the demonetization period, actually I started studying stock market. The reason was because before 2016, most of my savings account, fixed deposit was with the cooperative banks, cooperative urban banks, which provided very good interest. I think I got an interest up to 10.5%, something like that. But from the year 2016, after the demonetization came, I was forced to transfer all my accounts to nationalized bank. Okay, where they were providing only interest of 5%, 5.5%, something like that. Depositing my amount in the bank, which and getting 5.5% returns was not, I was not satisfied with that actually. Because investing in my business, I can get more returns than having fixed deposit in nationalized bank. So I started studying stock market. Actually, I have an idea from 2008 Lehman Brothers collapse. I know what is stock market, and I have a common idea, buying stocks, selling stocks, like that people are doing. Some of my friends were doing. So I had an idea what the stock market was, what were the activities in that. But really from 2016, after the demonetization, I want to study stock market. When I studied stock market, definitely I knew it was not an easy area to make money. I wanted to study each and everything in detail. Okay, last year I planned to make a series of videos on stock market, but actually I was not confident. I was not confident enough. How can I teach the people? If I teach, people can understand or not, I don't know, because I always think I am not a good teacher. Okay, actually I have a self-analysis on me, and I always believe that I am not a good teacher. But when I was watching these YouTubers, mentors, and people who are teaching stock market, and I had a clear idea, this is not the way the stock market should be taught. These beginners who are entering the stock market will be misled by these videos and this teaching style. So definitely before 1 or 2 months, again I asked, what are you, John? What can you do for making this type of videos? My mind was saying, you are a good learner, John, but you are not a good teacher. You are a good learner, but you are a good teacher. I repeatedly asked my mind, if you are a good learner, you should learn how to teach. Okay, the logic was good, so I started learning how I can teach in the most simplest form. Okay, I don't know to use sophisticated words or British or American accent. I am just using my common language, simple language, and you can easily understand my presentation. That's what I am thinking about me. Okay, I don't know how many days I can make a series of videos, weekly, one or two, once in 2 weeks. I don't know how many videos I can make in a series. Okay, when I get free time, I told you I am a business person. I am engaged in business, more in business. I have a shop. I have to see all the matters regarding business. Okay, in the free time, I will be trying my best. I will try my level best to give you what I have studied from the stock market. That's what I am planning, first of all. Next, on Wednesday and Thursday, I trade. Don't think that Wednesday and Thursday, when I am talking about Wednesday and Thursday, I am an option seller. I buy options and sell options accordingly. If there is some momentum and if I feel the momentum is in one direction, and if I am getting a direction, I do option buying. And if I feel there is no direction, if the VIX is very low, if I feel that is a sideways market, definitely I go for selling like that. I do both buying and selling. Okay, in between this time I have to make videos. I only do price action trading based on patterns. Based on patterns, I have identified there are more than 30 patterns in the market. In my experience, I have noticed more than 30 patterns. Sharply if I tell, 30 patterns in the market, but I only trade in the most probability and high probability 22 patterns that I will be revealing each and in my video one by one as my subscriber count is increasing. No problem. Okay, this is what I have planned as of now. Next, let's come to the subject. Last video I made, if you have not watched, go and watch the video because this is the continuation. First trap is in that video. I am talking about the second trap. If you are a stock market investor or trader, you might have got lot of calls regarding, sir, let me provide tips, let me provide free tips, sir, test our tips are 100% successful, 95% successful. This is the next trap. But we should understand how this trap is working, how these tip providers are able to give right signals. This is what I am going to explain from this computer presentation. Let's go to the computer presentation and watch how these tip providers are working and what are the secret behind their 95% success, 100% success. This is all the terms we are going to watch from our computer. Okay. Yes. In this presentation, we are going to two sections actually. First, I will be going to the chart. Okay. And we are going to learn a new term here. The new term, two new terms actually, but one is just the opposite of this term. Okay. Those who are new to the stock market will not be aware of this term, shorting. Okay. Usually if you go to TV channel ET and any other business channel which are discussing stock market, you can always hear the word shorting. Most of the people who enter the market or if they are invested in the market, they only know to buy the stock, and if the stock is going up, we can make profit. Okay, I am coming to this section because we should know this before going to the next section. First, let us learn this term, shorting. Shorting means in intraday. If you are an intraday trader in stocks, okay, always people think that they can buy at a level and sell it at a level. Today is Monday. You see Tata Motors opened here at 9:15, around 423 rupees, reached the high of 427. Then it is coming down and trading at 424. Now clear? If you are not clear, you should watch this video repeatedly because this word shorting may create confusion between the beginners. It will be quite confusing for the beginners to digest. Okay, so if you don't understand this, watch repeatedly. No problem. If you watch repeatedly, you will be clear. Okay, if you are an intraday trader, if you are having 1 lakh rupees with you, broker will give 20x up to 20 lakhs leverage. Some brokers provide 15x, some brokers provide 20x. Okay, now morning you are going to Tata Motors chart. Based on our studies, simple powerful indicator, we actually had our support and resistance morning itself. You see, this is the swing high here created on Thursday 17th November. We have this line in our chart. Okay, this line we have in our chart. Based on this analysis, we are waiting Tata Motors to reach this level 427. At 427, you can sell the stock. You don't have stock in your hands, but you can sell the stock. For intraday, it is applicable only for intraday. Okay, based on our analysis, this area, we are watching this area, and when the stock reaches here this is called a pin bar. We will be talking about this in the price action trading. Okay, this is a pin bar and this is a confirmation of a reversal. Okay, here the VIX is on the top side, top, and candle is here, and it is having a VIX on the top side. So it is a confirmation of reversal. What you can do as a trader, you can short this. What is shorting? You can sell this at 427. You can sell this for 427. For example, if you are selling 427 into 100 quantities, you can short here 50 quantities, 100 quantities, or how many quantities according to your capital you can short in here. Short means selling. We can always hear this word shorting, shorting, shorting. When the market is heavily falling, people are shorting and making money. This is how traders make money. Here they will sell it. They will sell the stock. Do you have stock in your hand? No. You are selling it first, and when it returns here back. Now, morning if you have traded here, you see 427 you shorted here. Now it is trading at 423. The difference between these two is your profit. Evening when market closes at 315, or whenever you think that you have got sufficient profit, you will square off the position. What is square off? You will exit the position. You will exit the position by buying. First here you are selling. Clear? Okay, here at this point you are shorting the market. I will bring the, okay, this term you should not forget. You are shorting the market at this point. Right at this point you are shorting the market based on our study on price action. I told you that we have high probability 22 patterns. Okay, when it reaches the resistance level, according to our studies, we can find, we are watching for a price action. In this price action, a reversal is happening, and we are confirmed that the market is, or this Tata Motors is ready to move down. We are selling it for 427 here. Okay, then where will we buy? We are keeping a target at 421 or 420 or anything according to our convenience. Always I trade, or I prefer everyone should trade with a risk reward of 1:2. When I talk about risk reward, I will talk in detail. It is also a very big subject. Now this is not related to this subject. Keep it aside. Okay, keep the term risk reward aside, and I will talk in detail how we should keep stop loss, where should we keep stop loss, what should be our risk reward, and how should we trade. That's other subject. Keep it aside. Okay, now this is shorting. We short it here, we sold it here, and now we buy it here. Okay, if we bought in this area, you see this is the area. Next, support area, resistance area. This is support area. Okay, now we sold it here. And when it reaches the support level, 427 minus 421, 6 rupees into 100 means 100, 1000 means 1000. It will be your intraday profit. Clear? If you don't understand, please repeat the video, watch it again and again, and get a clear picture. This is called shorting in market. Okay, most of the people who come to the market don't know what is shorting. They always think we have to buy a stock in a level. If it moves up, we get profit. Okay, they will buy a stock at a level, and if it moves up like this, if it moves up like this, we get profit. No, actually, if the stock is moving like this also, we can make profit. We will sell it here and then we will buy it here. Okay, the difference is our profit. Okay, clear? Now I think this is clear for you. Okay, not only by buying, by selling first, and buying next also we can make profit. This is called shorting in the market. At this place, if we are buying it back, we get the difference. This is the in this place we sold here, we are buying here, the difference is our profit. Okay, next we should go to the whiteboard. Okay, this is a flow chart which I created. Okay, we should know how these educated thieves are cheating us. Sorry for using this word. Most of the beginners are trapped by this educated thieves. First, if you are a trader or investor, they will collect your data. They will collect your data. Okay, they will collect, for example, for your convenience, for our easiness, they are collecting the data of 10,000 people. Okay, including me and you, everyone, they are collecting details of 10,000 people. The next thing is they will give a call. Sir, we are from this broking institution, we are from this stock analysis group, we are technical analyst, and we will give free calls and you can earn money. Are you ready to join our group? Are you ready to join our community? Yeah, we will give free calls. Okay, those who are greedy, they join these free groups. They think they are going to get the right signal. What these fellows, these educated thieves will do, they collect the data of 10,000 people, then they will divide this data into 5,000. Okay, they are dividing this data into 5,000 and 5,000. Clear? No doubt. 5,000 and 5,000. 10,000, first they are collecting the data of 10,000 people. Now they are dividing the data. They will put it into two Excel sheets, one 5,000 and one 5,000. Now they will start giving call. Morning 9:15 they will come. They will tell this 5,000 people first. We can keep this group. This group they will tell you buy Tata Motors at 427. Here for this 5,000 people they will give the call, sell Tata Motors at 427. Now what will happen? We are logical traders, we are price action traders, we must think logically. I showed you the chart to understand this flow chart. Okay, 10,000 people they are bringing into their Excel sheet, dividing 5,000. Here for this 5,000 people they are giving a recommendation to buy Tata Motors at 427. Here for this 5,000 people they are giving a call to sell Tata Motors at 427. Now who is actually winning the game? According to today's trading, who is winning the game? Those who sold are winning the game. Okay, is it clear now? Who is losing the game? These 5,000 people are losing the game. Okay, so let's avoid these people. Okay, clear? Now this 5,000 people are out. Now this 5,000 people are out. Next they will come here. This 5,000. This 5,000 people will be divided into two sections. One here and one here. This line should not be coming from here. This line should be actually coming from this point. Okay. They will divide this 5,000 people into 2,500 and 2,500. Now assume the same scenario is happening on the next day. Next day of trading, the same scenario is happening. Okay, morning they are coming and telling you, this group, to buy Tata Motors. Sorry, they will give a buy call for this people 2,500 and sell call for this 2,500. Who will actually go out of the game? This 2,500 people is also out of the game now. Who is winning the game? This 2,500 people are winning the game actually. Therefore, this 2,500 people actually won the game 3 times. Here, when they were in this group, they won the game for the first time. When they came to this group, here also they won the game for the second time. Here on the third time also they won the game. Okay, now 3 times they got the right call from this people. Now this 2500 got 3 right calls. Now they start believing these guys. Now what they will do, this 2500, from this 2500, what they will do, again they will divide this 2500. For one group they will give a buy signal, one for sell signal. Those who have succeeded all the time will believe in this fellow. Okay, from the 4th day onwards, these people will stop giving signals. They will stop giving signals. Okay, those who have got profit from these calls will be in a tension, or they will be worried because they are not getting calls, or they will not be able to approach them for free calls. Now a person from that firm will come and tell, sir, we have stopped our free calls. Now you are having a good scheme. We have 3 schemes like golden, silver, golden and platinum schemes. You can join in any one of the schemes. Okay, for the silver scheme, we will be providing tips for 1 week, 4,999 rupees. For golden scheme, we will be affording the signals for 15 days. It is 9,909 rupees. Next, we can go for the diamond scheme. It is lifelong. You can get lifelong signals, and daily you can make consistent profit, and it costs just 49,999, like that. People, greedy people who think they can generate profit daily, they go and join this group paying this huge amount. Here is the trap. This is the trap. This is the end of the game, and the game is over. Next day onwards, after paying your cash, you will not be able to contact them. Okay, again and again I am repeatedly telling, we should know what is happening in the stock market, and we should know about the fraud and traps in the stock market. That is the first thing, because we are playing with our cash, we are playing with our money. When money is lost, our emotions are kicked off, and we will be out of the market. We won't be able to analyze what is happening, what is not happening, or most of the people will not even study from their mistakes. Definitely they will be out because their cash is gone, they have lost the money. So in this area we are trapped. Okay, this is how these people give us 95% call, 95% accurate call, 100% accurate call. Some institutions may be genuine, but I don't argue with it. But mostly 95% of the institutions are doing this to the retailers. Okay, now you are clear with how these people are cheating us. This is the second trap. First trap, I talked about the YouTubers and everything in the first video, who are misleading their community first. Okay, now this is the second trap. We get a lot of calls daily in our mobile from many institutions saying that they are providing free calls and free tips which has 95 to 100% accuracy. Okay, this is how this system is working. From the 4th day or 5th day, you can't contact them, you lost your money, and you will be crying. Okay, this is what I have presented in this video. I think you have clearly understand what is happening around this area. If you are not able to understand, once more repeatedly watch this video, you can get a clear idea. That's all from this presentation. Let's go to the conclusion. Hi, I think you had a clear idea how the tip providers are cheating the beginners. First, beginners enter to the market seeing the YouTube videos. That's the first trap which I mentioned in the last video. Next, after losing a part of their capital, they will be depending on the tip providers. Tip providers are cheating us in this manner. These tip providers are all educated thieves. Being protected from the educated thieves is a big risk for us, because they will be making us believe everything what they are doing. They are actually systematic thieves. educated systematic thieves. Because they will be proving in each and every point. They will have data to give you how they are successful, how they are making profits. Everything they will be revealing, and they will try to cheat you. We should be protected from this educated thieves. This is the second trap. Okay, I think you got some valuable information from this video. If you like this video, press the like button. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe my channel and share this video to all the trading community members, investors, and let us learn stock market in a proper way, in a proper and systematic way. Be patient and learn more, earn more. This is John Kingston signing off from JR Trading Zone. Let's see in the next video. Bye.